So we'll continue, all right?
Napapap lang ng konti. Yun.
Mahaba to. So, okay, Manny, this is a long one. Okay. This is regarding your style, yung mga subject. The first time I saw your work during around 2005, 2006, I was in awe. Talagang, yan yung ano. Kaya nga, di ba, during one of my show, I really have to thank you kasi I'm doing portraits but there's no direction eh. You're the one who talagang nagbigay sa akin ng, okay, that's the thing I want. So, may idea na ako. So, now, I saw the progress through the years, yung work mo. I'm curious, why with the sudden change or shift of subject? Kasi from normal kids playing in the field, suburban life type of environmental portraits, naging to the colorful, saturated, glamour, fashion, conceptual portraits. Why?
Okay, ano kasi when I started to, yeah, you're right. I started shooting kids, no? And then eventually I started shooting my students.
All right.
In the classroom. Kasi I could not go out and shoot kids all the time.
All right.
Although if I have the time, I would always prefer shooting the kids, the normal people. Yeah. Okay, the normal people, old people, you know. But I don't have that luxury of time, so I started shooting my students. And then when I started shooting my students, I put them up online. People notice it, and people notice some common style among all of these pictures. You know, like the use of the veils, because that's the only
the veil,
that's the only prop. Yeah.
Hindi pa pwede mawala. Yeah.
The famous veil.
Sabi ko sa inyo,
Thanks to Steve McCurry. Okay.
It's the cheapest. It's the cheapest prop.
Right.
The cheapest prop and lightest prop you could bring along.
Right. Sa akin, Park, ito yung story about the legend of the veil, you know.
All right. I wanna hear this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasi I was shooting my students, right?
All right.
And as what you've said, it's the cheapest prop that we could bring. Secondly, it comes in different colors. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Thirdly, it can come in different textures.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And then sometimes, you know, kasi ako, Park, if I'm shooting my students in my classroom, what else can I show? One, the beautiful face of my student.
All right.
Okay. And I'm very, very specific. It has to be a student with beautiful eyes. Okay. Yeah. So that's how so that's how my veil plus the eyes come in. You know. Secondly, I have to choose different kinds of veil. Yes, I'm using a veil, but I'm using a different colored veil. You know, I'm using a different textured veil. You know. And then thirdly, I have to think of compositions that will fill in that would, you know, I usually have the face occupying the entire frame, right? So how else can I make it dynamic? I can make it dynamic by the use of the veil. I can make it dynamic by the use of the hair.
Okay.
I can use it dynamic with the use of a flower.
Okay.
I can make it dynamic with the use of the hand.
Yeah.
I can use it. I can make it more dynamic with the use of the jewelries. You know. So those